Hi everyone, happy to have you here for this new video on Tezos. Today we will talk about signing with Tezos, that is an open source library made by the Stake Now company. Signing with Tezos is a library that allows any user that has a Web3 wallet, Tezos wallet, to sign on any Web2 backend. For this authentication, we have all the use cases you can think about. Messaging application, chatting, logging to a game, or an e-commerce website. Users today are quite familiar to log in with Google, Facebook, or any other social accounts. So it's very easy to use. And at the difference of the Web2 logins that you have today, this does not require to have a third party. So you do not rely on a certificate authority to give you the access. The library also ships what we call an ACL for access control list, is the authorization side. So it means you can define rules to limit the access of the resources that are on your backend system. There are some on-chain based features that are supported. NFT, XTZ balance, token balance, or an access whitelist. The rules are defined on your Web2 backend, but the data that applies on the rules are on-chain data. If you want to try the authorization feature of signing with Tezos, you have a playground on the Stake Now website. So on the playground, what you can do, you can select your network, and then you can define if you want to grant access based on an NFT holder, if the user needs to have some balance based on here evaluation about the value of the balance. It can be also a balance on a specific token. So you need to specify the contract. And it can be a whitelist or a blacklist. When you update the value, it will update the configuration file on the right side. You have an example how to configure these rules. Then you can connect with your wallet using a specific user and test if your rules are working fine. Another example of using signing with Tezos is what has been implemented in the TZ community decentralized application. So TZ community is a Tezos pseudonyming social graph, and you have an optional feature to link your social account to this user registry. So when you log with your wallet by default, you are a pseudonym that is represented by your Tezos address, in my example here. And if you want to link it to a social account, you follow the process. And then your address will be resolved with your alias and your photo and also your social account logo that you have here. I'm logged with my name at Google. So it uses signing with Tezos under the hood. And I will show very quickly a bit of the code to let you see how it works. So TZ community is an open source project. You can look on the source code and you will see function name connect to Web2 backend. This is a client side here. The function of signing with Tezos here. When you create a message, you sign the message and then you do the login, for example. On the backend side, you need to have an endpoint for signing and you need to verify the signature of the message that is passed with the public key of the user. And once it's done, you generate an access token and you return it back to the client. On the next video, we will have an hands-on explaining how you can use this library in less than 10 minutes and start connecting your Tezos wallet with any kind of Web2 backend. So don't miss the next video and see you next time. Bye bye.